On April 14, 2025, Birla Balika Vidyapeeth Pilani solemnly observed Ambedkar Jayanti to honor the 135th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of the Indian Constitution. The event commenced with a ceremonial lamp lighting and floral tribute led by the esteemed school manager Dr. M. Kasturi, accompanied by in-charge principal Mrs. Achla Verma, academic coordinators, chief warden, heads of departments, staff members, and students. A special assembly, orchestrated by the Social Science Department, under the coordination of Dr. Sandhya Vyas, featured students presenting vibrant charts and posters adorned with inspiring quotes and slogans reflecting Dr. Ambedkar's vision. A poignant speech delivered by a Class 8 student highlighted Dr. Ambedkar's life, his monumental contributions to Indian society, and his enduring legacy. The program concluded with a PowerPoint presentation that encapsulated Dr. Ambedkar's teachings, his pivotal role in shaping modern India, and the contemporary relevance of his ideals. The celebration served as a profound tribute to Dr. Ambedkar's unwavering commitment to social justice, equality, and empowerment, inspiring students and faculty alike to uphold these values in their daily lives.